Alright, in this video we are going to be working through how to label the pitches in Gently Sleep. Now before we do that, I do want to point out something new that we have in our Yellow Belt song, and it gives us our definition at the bottom here. This symbol looks like an apostrophe, is called a breath mark. When you see the symbol, take a breath. Try only to take a breath every 2 measures. So you're going to breathe here, here, and here. See if you can make it that far. A lot of the time we want to take a breath after every note, but we want to break that habit. Try only breathing every 2 measures where you see those breath marks. Now, just a reminder of what we talked about with our white belt. There are 2 sayings you can use to figure out your note names. If the note head sits on a line, you are going to use the saying, "Every good boy does fine," going from the bottom, working your way up. We have that saying right here. Every good boy does fine. Those are for your lines. If it sits in a space, then you are going to spell the word face. F-A-C-E. So our first note here for Gently Sleep, we have every good boy does fine, because it is on a line, that's going to be a G. Next up, your note head is in a space, you're going to use face, F-A-C-E, an A. Next note is on a line, every good boy does fine, boy, B, that's a B. Reminder, I'm using capital letters as I label. Those lowercase letters sometimes mean different things. This next note we have in a space. You're going to use face. F-A-C-E. There's another A. On a line, so we're going to use every good boy does fine. Every good boy does fine. G. Once again, we're in a space. F-A-C-E. We're going to continue with this process all throughout our song. Next up, we have on a line, we're going to use every good boy does fine. Next up is a space. We're using face, F-A-C-E. Circles on a line, you're going to use your saying, every good boy does fine. Next up in a space, F-A-C-E. A line once again, every good boy. And a line one more time, every good. Now if you take a close look at Gently Sleep, you'll realize that the first 4 measures, 1, 2, 3, 4, are exactly the same as the next 4 measures, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to go ahead and copy those measures down, seeing that this one is the same as this is the same as here, this is the same as here, and this is the same as here. So go ahead and take a second to fill those in. Great job. Now I always get the question, well, why are these filled in? Why are these not filled in? These are the answers to what rhythm it is, right? If you have a filled in circle here, this is a quarter note. A quarter note is going to be worth 1 beat, 1 tap of your toe. When the circle is not filled in, that is a half note. It means you're going to hold it for 2 beats or for 2 taps of your toe. So the shape is telling you how long you're going to hold the note. The position on the staff tells you what note you are going to play. All right, enjoy playing Gently Sleep.